Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share create stunning 3D text effect for free, no Photoshop needed. It is a simple and easiest tip. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just open Chrome browser and I just want to introduce a website called Text Studio. Just hit the button Text Studio. I have given the description link. Just click the link. That link will direct you to the Text Studio. Just click here font generator and 3D text styling effects. Just click the button. So it is a beautiful and stunning creations will happen. So this is a site. So you just log in with your Gmail account. It is a free one. So you can have a gold, neon, metal, fire, retro, comic, different kind of text generator will be happen over here. So I just want to type some text over here, some kind of HowXT, and just click this magic tool called search. So once you click, automatically it will generate generate text. See, as you see the magic within a second. So you can able to choose whatever font you want and you can able to download that font. So you just click here to more text if you want more text model. So it will generate a more text so that you can able to download with the different ideas and different styles. So choose any type of a design you want, a 3D model you can choose and you can download according to your need. For example, I just choose some kind of HowXT designs. So this is the 3D model I just want. So I just want to change some color or text. I can do according to my need. I just want to add some text over here. So I just type some hello. So simply I can add this text over there, and as the style is, and if you want some kind of gradient color, so gradient direction. So if you want change the gradient direction also, you can change the gradient and color opacity also, you can do it. So that outline text models and shadows also you can give. So if you want to give some icons over there, so you can give icons. For example, I just choose some heart. The icons will be applied in my HowXT hello. Yes, you see here. So the background also we can get different types of background. Otherwise, I just want to use this one alone text only. Just choose this background without background. So I just want alone the text so that I can keep it in somewhere else. For green background also I can click for my green creations. For example, I just want some edit option. I can give green background. Otherwise, I can give different kind of background will be helpful for my designs and text. So this is simple and easiest way. If you want to give animation, so you can give a blink animation, simple animations also you can give according to your need. So if you want to download this text, just click here to download the Atlas last scene. So GIF format and video format, any format will be available. Just click here to save your files as you see here. So this is a easy and freeware you can use and download your text according to your need. The text has been saved in my account. I just click here for a GIF account to download your account. So this is a simple way you can download your GIF file as well as this thing. So there will be B premium will be there, as well as a link also will be given. Just click here for download. Automatically your file will be downloaded because I have given the animations. Otherwise it will be a JPEG format. Now it is in a GIF format, so that I can just click here for download. It's a free and easiest way to download my text. As you see my output. So this is a simple way. Without Photoshop, without designing skill, I can create my own beautiful text without background, as you see here. So this is a beautiful option. Try this option and create your beautiful text using this Text Studio site. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe to my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.